So welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about stack. Okay, we have implemented stack using an array, and what we have done is using the switch case. Okay, so now in this particular session, we'll be again doing the same stack operation, but we'll be using function. So each operation that we have done, like push, pop, and display, what we will going to do, we're going to create a function, a push function, a pop function, and a display function, right? So I have not changed this program itself. So this will be changed. This will be as it is. Okay. So whatever code that we have written inside the case, okay, we will not be writing this inside the case. What we're going to do is that we'll create a function, right? And the name of the function will be the push, pop, and display. Okay. So now let us define one function. Okay. Sorry, let us declare one function. These three functions. So what I will be doing, let's say in push, okay, and I said we will be passing one variable, okay, right? Let's say this dot love element, okay. Another is pop, okay, and lastly is the display. Yes, okay. Three, we have declared three function, and let have the definition of fun. So let me copy this three and put it here. Yes, okay. So let me start. Let me write the push function. Okay, we have already done. So here we have this when if it is else. Okay, so let me extract this and I put it here. Okay, now what I'm doing is I will explain to you, don't worry. uh, okay, and I call this function push num. Okay, so now top equal to top plus one. Okay, stack equal to, then no breakout here. Okay, and we can write printf here, and we can say here the element percentage d has been pushed into the stack. Okay, and what I can do here, after that I can call this function display. Yes, okay, so top equal to top plus one, stack of top equal to num and all. But see here, what is happening is that we have declared this, okay, inside the main function. So what I will going to do is that I will just make it global so that it can be accessible easily from the function. So this is a very a simple way to do so. Okay, so I create a global stack. Okay, and I globally I have mentioned top equal to minus one, right? Yes, and here I have int choice. Okay, num I. Okay, so now if top is equal to 4, printf stack is full. You are breaking it. Else, okay, enter the number that you want to push into the stack. Okay, the number is it. Then I call this function push, where I am passing it by value, the value that is num. Okay, then I go to this function, right? This value is this. It is ele. Okay, so then top equal to top plus one, and stack of top is equal to ele. Sorry, and here the element that is pushed into the stack is comma ele, right? And then I'm calling the display function. Okay, we'll see the display function. Next is the pop. Okay, what I have done here is, see, if top is equal to minus one, we know that printf stack is empty or break. Otherwise, okay, we are doing this, right? So I'm just writing that and I am putting it here. Okay, yes. Then I say num equal to, and I said printf equal to this top equal top minus one and 1 minute, because I have an int, so I will write here return 0. The same thing I have missed out in push also, return 0. Okay, so now I have my push function. Now I have my pop function. Okay, right? So I will call this pop function. Okay, done. So now next is the display. Same, if display equal to if top is equal to -1, the printf no element in the stack, we are breaking out. Okay, so we will completely will take this because we are displaying every time. Okay, and then I am putting it here. Okay, right? Yes. So if top equal to -1, while loop the same. Okay, concept is just I'm putting it inside the function. That's all. Okay, all right. So if top equal to printf that is break return. Okay, return 0. Yes, and or else here return 0. Yes. So typically, if you see also, we can have two return statements. The beautiful example to having two return statement, but it's returning only one value because if top is -1, no element in the stack, else this. So whenever we are calling pop also, let me call this function display so that it will display you the content of the stack. Right? Little modification. So now here I will call the function which is display. Okay, why display. Okay, and then by the break. Yes. So here also I have to have a break statement and push element. Okay, then I have to have a break statement. Great. So now exit 0. Okay, you have entered the wrong input that we have seen. So push, pop, display, and what I have done is that I created this function. Okay, where push function where I'm having only one argument. Okay, and I'm passing it by value. Then we have a pop function, and when we have a display function, I have globally declared the stack. I have globally declared the top equal to -1. Okay, and then same way choice, we have entered this while loop we have done, so that the choice will keep on going. So first I check whether the stack is full or not. If it is full, I display, else I ask the user to give the number and I push the number through the function push. Okay, then it goes here, top equal to top +1, and then we are putting it into the stack, and then we have the element which is pushed into the stack is right, element that is put into the stack is ele, and then I call the display function which will going to display my content of the stack. Okay, next, if top equal to -1, stack is empty, otherwise sorry, pop top equal to minus, stack is empty, then I create call the pop function. It goes to the pop. Okay, take out the element, yes, and then the top element is this. Okay, yes. Now I have to declare here that what is this num is int num. Okay, because it is a local variable. That is what I have missed out. Right, then top equal top -1, again I will calling display and return 0. And display, if top is -1, we know that there is no stack element in the stack, return 0, else int int. Okay, right, int I equal to 0 and I less than equal to top. Okay, and we are displaying it. So let me now execute the program. Okay, now I will enter 2. What is the answer that I get? Let's see. The topic, the stack is empty. Okay, let me do one thing. Here I have not put /n. That is the reason why the output is not coming in a proper way. So let me put /n. Okay, fine. So let me save this and again let me execute. So enter the 1. Okay, so enter the element that you had pushed 23. The element 20 will push into the stack and 23. Okay, that also I have not done. /n. Okay, then display that also /n. Okay, no element in the stack /n. Let me put everywhere /n. You put a wrong input /n. Okay, enter the element into the stack, slash. That is okay, not required also. Okay, fine. Again, I execute. So 120, so 12 I put. Oh, 12 is pushed into the stack, so 12 is displayed, right? 12 is displayed, right? So next, again, I push, suppose so 23. See, 23 has been pushed into the stack, so 12, 23. So I call the display, so I got it 12 and 23, right? So let me write pop. Okay, the element that is pop is 23, and this is the content of the stack, right? Again, I write pop. Okay, right? We popped element 12. No, okay, display now. No element in the stack because nothing is there in the stack. Now again, I try to poop up. It will say stack is empty, right? And that, okay, right? The next, let me see, push element 1, 12, push 1, 23, push 1, 34, push 1, 56, push 1, 67, okay, oh, 67, okay. So I have element, so 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. So again, I push, say 3, 3, okay. Now I have 5 element in the stack. Let me push again. I say the stack is full. Okay. So I hope it is clear. So let me again revisit this. I created this function. Okay. Right. Three function push, pop, and display. So push is a function where I'm also having one argument where I'm sending the I'm passing the value to that particular function. So I'm asking the user to enter the number that you want to push into the stack, and in the push function I push the number. Okay, and the same, the code, the logic is same, right? Topic or top plus one and stack and all this thing. So similar here also push. If no, the logic is same, only I have created this function. Okay, then I'm in the function I'm popping out the element, and then I'm just what you say, writing the pop element is this. I have just added display so that each time the display has been there, right? So again in the display I'm writing top equal to -1 if it is nothing is element in the stack, right? Or else the same. So the thing, if you have understood my previous video also, this becomes also very easy, and if you have the concept, very clear concept of the function. Okay, so if you want to know more about the this particular concept, you can go through my previous video. And if you really want to understand more about the function, you can go to my video of function, okay, where I have categorically explained the 4 different type of function. Okay, so this, now I'm using global variable. I can also use with the concept of using pointers also. I can easily do this program. Okay, yes. So I hope this is clear. A simple function where only we are using pass by uh, pass by value itself. Okay, so thank you. And if you have any doubt, you can just revisit my video itself. uh, right? And this is very easy. It's not very a talk program. Okay, thank you.